After discovery of a decomposed body in Aba, we traveled to Benue State. This is Otukbo Area Command to see the suspects that the police told me were involved in Andrew's killing, that they were involved, the vigilante that killed Andrew. All right, my name is Harrison Guamnishu. We are here in Benue State, or Otukbo in Benue State, and this man here witnessed something that we want to hear from him, because if you watch his leg, he has some bullet injuries. So, what is your name? What is your name? Okay, so where are you from?
I'm from Benue.
That's in Benue State. So what happened? What happened this your leg? What happened?
I come back for work. After I come back for work, I passed that first person, I greet them. You don't answer me, because I don't know that person before. You don't answer me. The second one again, I see one black motor and the person they near that motor. After I come there, I greet them. You don't answer me. I pass and small like this, they go like this. I call here Tam. I said, I did there, I'm from here, don't come up for here, go like this. I said, you don't kill me, don't kill me, you don't kill me. After I said, don't kill me. My own man, I said, no, go there again, I go there. This boy kill me. And I come for. After I come for finish. And the person he carry me go hospital for that my village there. I don't know.
So what be your work?
My mechanic machine.
To be machine mechanic, and machine they repair. So where you reach that place, so where you talk, see you see motor. That motor where you see, so people they there.
For that people they shoot me. They there.
How many people they there?
People in there, like 4, a bit 3, 4.
Okay, but nobody will call you for phone or anything. Say me you come that place.
No sir.
You just come back from work. Now you
sir.
can't see them. You can't say make you.
Yes sir.
Make you find out what they happen.
No, I don't find them because now I greet them. I mean I go ask now.
Just greet them.
House I go.
But they don't tell you what happened.
No.
Nobody tell you what happened.
No, and from that my side, for that work they go my house.
Okay. So those people then you know them, you know anybody for that. For
and anybody I don't know, but if I see the face I know.
You will know the person.
So
they say they reach like how many person?
Now 4, but now only one people. Now the face now my.
So then gather around the motor.
No, I say what 2 person they here, 2 person they here that motor don't finish.
Okay. So the motor, what is it for the motor? The motor, no, anything happens to the motor?
No, the time this people shoot me, anybody know anything no happen for the motor.
The motor, they okay? Nothing do them. You look where? The front?
Yes, sir.
Anybody inside the motor?
I don't look that one.
You don't look that one? This man here was the man the police told me was dragging gun with his fellow vigilante men, and the gun exploded and shot his leg. But from his story, he said nothing like that happened, that he was not there when Andrew was killed, that he only saw a car parked.
Maybe, okay, as I come there, they don't kill the man inside motor, but see people when I meet. Hence, you come there, meet the man inside motor dead. Automatically, people when you meet them, and then kill the man. So make sure their name. Now, only way to go help you with that too. Because, listen. Person carry dada, you hear bam. Person will shoot you automatically, and then go shoot that man with that. So I don't need to tell you what to talk. You understand? So now I get the last straightforward.
That's what you say you get red. What do one person?
No, I think it's
4. Now you see for that place. I should be pass. You know they there with the drag gun.
No.
The carry machine. The carry machine.
Another one, no.
Okay. You can't hold you the pass in something like
me, I know carry machine go there. I know carry machine go pass.
No, listen now. You are passing. How old are you? How old are you?
Me. I'm
30 something years.
No.
See,
the passing, you don't really bother.
Oh, you hear me very well. I hear clear. Now, see Bashiko leg pass. You guys know they call it Ebony. See Ebony die there. Who kill the Bash? Who kill the Ebony? Who kill him? Bashiko leg pass and then kill the Abi. Now wait till the answer for now be that. So it's left for you now to defend yourself. Who and who you see for that place that day? Who and who you see for that place that day? And who killed the man? Who you see gun for in hand? Make sure the person name. Plenty people carry dada now. Now your community be that. Plenty people carry dada if you say na dada. You understand? So make sure who and who shoot that man that day. Vigilante days I said never go there. Into go see talk in mouth. You understand? So talk with you. See anything anybody tells you make you not talk.
Yeah.
Hey,
That person
I'm coming. You dey kill yourself with that. And this leg, I no go treat you. You go there, you go die. That's why they tell you. I swear to God, after I carry come up, if you no talk with him, we go know. So that we go follow the investigation. You go die there. So tell us what you see there that day. Tell him.
Okay. If I lie for you, like in my language.
Okay, I'm calling. Who killed the man?
I said, no, I think I pass and I don't pass.
As you pass, you don't see the man die for inside the motor.
I said, I don't see anybody for inside.
Okay, how man is bullet meet you for leg?
I think another talk now. Say that person before I hear that person. If I don't hear that. You want to do like this, that person do like this. Now you pan. I say, you don't kill me. I don't come up for you. Go like this. Now I come for. The other man carry me for ground.
Wait,
go hospital.
as you fall, where those people come do? Those four persons.
What did they do?
What they come do? Because you say, as you don't, you say you see the person will shoot you. As you come fall, where they come do again now?
And I said, after you come shoot me, you come run go that house. That house they did there. You come run go there. After I come run go there, I come and say, you don't kill me.
No, never. Those people where they see them they fall. You can't run.
Now that one I pass.
Yes.
That one pass first. That first one, that one no run. But that one shoot me. You don't go that house there. After you don't go that house there. Now come and say don't shoot me.
Okay, watch now. The person shoot you. Automatically, now you shoot that man. You don't know that one, man. When you reach where you go.
Let's see the guy in the set.
Let's see the doctor. Carry this guy into motor. Let me talk to the doctor. He go talk.
Oh, yeah.
He go talk.
Well,